So hi friends, in this video I'm going to unboxing the one credit card guys. You can apply easily. If you have good civil score you will get higher limit. If you don't have civil score you can also apply this credit card. You have to fix it I mean fix deposit the amount. Minimum is deposit amount is 2000 rupees, that is equal to 26 or $27 guys. If you deposit 2000 you will get 110% of the limit. So the more you deposit the more you limit you will get, but I'm not recommending to put your all of money into this credit card. I only deposited 2000 rupees, so I got this credit card. I few days ago, I mean exactly 4 days ago I applied this card. I got this credit card today. And also they have some of the offers. If you purchase online Swiggy or Zomato you will get some of the reward points. You can also use reward points to pay your credit card bill, and if you set up auto setup you will get 350 rupees guys via points. And also if you want to activate your card you have to scan this QR code via application. The card is okay, but I mean the call is okay. If you refer your friends you will earn 500 rupees. It is a good credit card for beginners just like me, and also it improves your credit score. Also if you pay correctly you will get better civil score, otherwise you will not get your civil score increase. So that's it for today guys. If you have any questions about this card ask me in the comment section. You can see the outside look like this, the front side look like this, the Visa signature card. Okay, thank you for watching.